How to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, open this option General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now find the app Facebook. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open your App Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, at the right corner of the app you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you update the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards very last solution, open your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the menu page. Scroll down, open this option of Help and Support. Click on the option of Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem. Click on Include. Now from here, select the option of Marketplace. Now over here you have to explain about your issue and then send it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.